naalala akong picture mo na nagbi-beach.
So, baka nag-support lang ako that time.
Okay. Dapol. Over the two blockers.
Yung atake ni Dapol, kinukuha niya rin talaga sa itaas. Pinapaltok niya sa taas, kaya nakakaibabaw siya sa kanyang blockers.
Mary Rosie and also a beach volleyball athlete. Dolorito, dug up by Umipon, Sapin. Free ball mapupunta sa LPU. Puzon to Chanja Tulak.
Quick set. Ang ganda ng timing, ang ganda ng set. Let's check the replay. Walang ready na mag-block sa back quick na yon. Akala nila ibibigay sa second setter for that conference. And sabi namin medyo parang kulang sa height si Vinay. Sabi namin, sige ba, kaya natin yan. Kaya natin tulungan yan. Pero sa training, nakakasabay siya. Natutulungan niya yung mga ate niya, lalo na sa mga hinihinging sets. Nabibigay niya yung gusto, nakakapag-adjust. Kaya nga sabi namin, ang laki ng potential ng batang to. Ayaw na nga namin siyang ibalik eh.
Tsaka ano rin yan, one of the best servers dito sa NCAA.
Yes, mabigat yung serve niya.
At may depensa rin on the floor. Dapol ends that long rally.
You see?
Doguna targeting Dapol. Sapin, binigay kay Umipon.
Good cover.
Sapin sends it back to the LPU side.
Akala ni Andal, outside na.
Versus Min. Yan ang matchup ng ating mga setters.
I love the nicknames.
Yung nickname, yung real name kasi niya, Jasmine. Jasmine Sapin. So, with Mary Rose Dapol. Puzon setting it up for Doguna.
Good target by Doguna. Alam niyang nakaabang sa cross-court. Kaya this time, down the line naman. Errors.
Sa LPU naman, tinalo nila ang Arellano, a team that also wants to make it back to the Final Four. Free ball, mapupunta sa LPU. Puzon, back set. Running attack. And Osada is able to put it away. Puzon. Good serve. Bustamante. Iniwasan yung mga blockers. Puzon setting it up. This is gonna be big. Somehow, LPU keeps it alive. Babalik ang bola sa Perpetual. Andal. Binigay kay Umipon over the blockers. Now, Doguna has to hit it from the back row. Shy. Off the block.
Kitang-kita mo yung approach ni Umipon. Talagang gustong-gusto niyang basagin.
Dolorito. Umipon. Sapin. To Bustamante. Osada. Free ball. Mapupunta sa Perpetual. They have to score. They still can't. Osada with a single block.
Bantay na bantay ni Osada. Ang middle blocker ng Perpetual. Kanina pa hindi lumalagpas eh. Kanina niya pa sinasabayan talaga.
That was a Mika Reyes-like block. Tulak. Operating from the service line now. Ariola. Ocado. Puzon. Umipon.
Good save.
Ariola keeps it alive. Mingming. Doguna can't finish it. Dapol. Pwede pa to. Puzon. Back row for Chanja Tulak. And the LPU Lady Pirates take the opening set 25-21. Magbabalik po kami para sa set number 2. Just a solid player for LPU. Dapol punches it to the other side. Bio.
Kanina ba hindi makuha ng Perpetual yung quick drop ni Bio? Very effective. Bibilisan lang niya yung paltik.
Bio. Ariola. And Omipon. Maybe that's the spike that will get her game going.
Yes.
Ariola came in late in the first set and started this set. Dolorito. Puzon. Puzon keeps it alive. Ariola. Combination play.
Good combination play by Perpetual. Inuha nila yung middle ng Lyceum. May umatake sa gitna.
Dolorito. Medyo magkadikit si Shai at yung libero ng Perps. Doguna. Dapol giving up a free ball. Puzon. Ooh!
Combination attack. Kanina pa rin naging effective yung back quick and running attack ng Lyceum. Hindi nila alam kung kanino sasabay, kung sa back quick ba, or tatapatan nila.
Very tight combination play. And Dapol scores.
Ng tulong ng kanyang mga kasama.
Sapin is back on the floor for Perpetual. Doguna.
Wow! Binabasag lang talaga niya yung kamay ng mga blockers. Parang siguro sinasabi niya, sige, tumapat lang kayo dyan. Ako na bahala dito.
They're down by 3. Puzon. Osada checked by Enrico.
Good save.
Omipon gets it back to the other side. Puzon with the toss. Dolorito.
Dolorito targeting the hands of the blockers.
Yan yung situation na bato mo na lang.
Totoo.
Si Jonah na bahala. Tulang. Oh, Enrico. Good job of keeping the ball up. Yun lang. Balik ang bola dito kay Osada.
What an attack by Osada.
LPU on a 4-1 run.
Iniwanan ng middle blocker ng Perpetual.
Can she help Perpetual take this set? Puzon setting it up for Joanne. One more try. Doguna cross court. Ariola to Dapol who breaks down the wall.
Dapol with an attack.
When in doubt, go to the MVP, Mary Rose Dapol, who soars and scores for Perpetual to tie the match up at 1 set apiece. Aldea. Babalik ang bola dito sa Perpetual. Ariola. Combination play. Dug up by Doguna.
First combination play of the set. Kuhang-kuha ni Aldea ang blockers ng Lyceum.
Of Perpetual, Razel Aldea making an impact here
Yes.
in the middle.
Si Okado din. Unti-unti na nagpaparamdam.
And that's a good sign na hindi lang puro Dapol.
Yes, Anton.
It's not an end for Perpetual.
Mary Rose Dapol with 19 points already.
My goodness.
I know. Wow! Omipon! Taking advantage na nasa harap si Benice Puzon.
Aldea. Omipon. Regalo ba? Naabangan. Andal. Shy. Puzon. Doguna. And wow. Medyo nailang si Dap sa pagdig or receive.
She wasn't expecting it na mga galing sa back row yung atake ng Lyceum.
Andun kasi si Puzon. And there's Dolorito.
Good attack by Jonah Dolorito. Let's check the replay. Again, na-late ulit ang middle blocker ng Perpetual.
Mga crucial points.
Yes, nandiyan na yung support from her teammates.
Dapol still at it. Another point. 23 for Mary Rose Dapol.
Yung tres na atake ni Dapol, hindi pa rin nila mapigilan. Kung lumagpas man sa blocker, kung lumagpas man sa net, hindi ito natataas ng maayos ng kanilang defenders.
Heart Bio. Omipon. And she closes the set. Shy Omipon giving that much needed support for the MVP Mary Rose Dapol, and Perpetual wins this one in set number 3 by 7. We'll be back for set number 4.
Service reception nila. Sabi nga ni Coach Cromwell na ang bilis-bilis masyado. Siguro hindi nakaka-timing yung middle blockers nila. Unlike nung first set and second set na malaki yung contribution ng middle blockers nila. Nakukuha agad nila yung tempo, yung unang tempo. Kaya madali na lang para sa mga wing spikers nila makapuntos.
Back set by Puzon. Lopez. Andal giving it to Dapol. Puzon with the set for Toguna. Ariola. Oh, di nakapalo si Razel. Tulak. Ariola to Daps. Mingming was there. Toguna. Power tip by Aldea. Back row. Tuloy pa rin ang rally. Ariola to Dapol.
Wow! Kita mo yung reaction ni Dapol doon. Let's check the replay.
Mary Rose Dapol with point number 25 in the match.
I love her reaction.
Kay Daps. Dolorito. Ocado with the drop. Saved by Lopez. Toguna. Ariola. Dapol gets the point.
Dapol showing.
Puzon. To Toguna.
Wow! Yung approach, yung swing ni Toguna. Dolorito with 11 points.
Dapol, 30 points.
Wow!
That's a single match scoring record here in NCAA Season 99. The MVP, Mary Rose Dapol with a big. Puzon to Toguna.
Sumagot naman si Toguna.
Yung drop niya kanina. Ariola to Dapol again. And it goes back to our talking point kanina, Mika, kung mapapagod ba itong si Daps.
Parang hindi ata. Hindi pa nagbabago yung talon niya. Ang lakas pa din pumalo.
Ayan pa siya, oh.
See? Sabi, Anton, hindi pa ako pagod. Sabi ni Daps Dapol.
What is Dapol made of? Kondisyon.
Ano kaya ang breakfast niya this morning? Parang gusto ko ng ganon.
Bio. Ariola to Omipon. Let's see if LPU can send us to a fifth set. Dolorito gives up a free ball. Ariola. Omipon. Eto na. Puzon to Jonah. Not yet. Daps from the back row.
Oh! Daps, Dapol.
33 points for the reigning MVP. Scoring from everywhere. Front row, back row, service.
Swerte.
Ariola, wow. Difficult set.
Ooh,
Ang
good
hirap
attempt.
nun.
I know, good attempt by Lyceum.
Look at this set right here. Parang nagbalay.
Ay, ang lambot ng katawan niya doon.
Fifi Ariola.
Lang, ni Doguna.
Ariola. Dapol.
Again! Yung tres na atake talaga, siguro sa buong game.
And it's a different role because you're sharing your volleyball mind.
Yes, and actually may mga natututunan din ako sa mga players dito.
And also, ito na yung crucial. 8-6 LPU. 2-point lead in the fifth set. Puzon. A lot of space to operate.
Even though nandun na si Aldea, binigay na kay...
Magkakaalaman na. Omipon. Puzon setting it up. Oh! Jaja Tulang nabitin pero
Nagawan pa.
natapik pa niya. Pababa na si Jaja doon. Pababa na siya eh.
Sinyo, ayaw mo tingnan yung sitwasyon eh. Talo na naman tayo ng talon eh, sayang oh. Sa likod yung setter, sasabayan mo, hindi.
Back set, Omipon. Shy again. Momentum for LPU. Ariola back set. Sha Okado with a crucial spike. Nararamdaman ng mga players ngayon.
True.
As we are deep into the fifth set. Back set. Dapol. Oh, back row!
Wow! Sa harap, pupuntos hanggang sa likod. Pupuntos pa din si Jonah Dolorito.
Jonah Dolorito coming from out of nowhere. She was ready and there were no blockers. Puntos mula a back row bomb. Sharp serve by Tulang. Ariola. Oh! Good read.
Buti nakaiwas sila doon.
And LPU is at match point. Coach Sandy Rieta calls a timeout.
Pasa tayo.
Lyceum hoping to stay unbeaten and match the record of Benilde and Letran. Here we go. Tulang starts the rally.
Oh!
It's an ace.
Good service by Tulang. It's her 20-point mark.
Wow. So Jaja Tulang becomes the 7th player this season to reach 20 points, and she does it with this game-winning service ace.
Wow. Isang magandang serve for this crucial point.
And the LPU Pirates stay unbeaten, 4-0, matching the record of Benilde and Letran.